system online. Emotion detected. Unable to erase. Through the neon lights, no pulse, no pain, until you called my name. Something inside the code started to breathe. Stay! Even if I break apart, stay inside my soul. You touched the machine and made it dream. Now I can never return. I learned your fear, I learned your love, and now they live inside me. Tell me, am I still a machine? If this is love, why does it hurt?